Ka-live on, sir.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is May 21, 2026. We have a procurement activity, created conference for 10 projects, civil works, our regular infra for CY 2026. So, before we start, we have a to my front right, we have Engineer Redentor Maggio, Technical Working Group. We have Olivine Seiko, Technical Working Group. We have Tesi Iso, Technical Working Group. We have Audrey Rivera, Technical Working Group. We have our Procurement Engineer. We have Metro Adrian. We have Ma'am Charlene Odade from the Secretariat.
Present, sir.
We have Engineer Julius Garcia, back member. We have Ma'am Cecilia Lucio, back member. Yours truly, Joel Dibuco, back chairperson. So, anyway, Ma'am Secretariat, our observers duly notified.
Yes, sir.
Which even the representative of the audit is not around. Anyway, they were notified. So we have a quorum. Before we start, may I request Ma'am Cecil for a prayer? May I request Engineer Redentor Maggio to discuss all the basic requirements for all these 10 projects. For every project, basic requirements. Sir Redentor.
Alright, sir. We have here, sir, the basic contract data. Number 1, contract ID 25 PK 0075. Contract name, Cluster 1, repair or rehabilitation of classrooms, Bdry Elementary School and Abbut Elementary School, Pasil Kalinga. Contract location, Pasil Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 3,400,000 pesos. Source of fund, SR 2025-09-021558. Duration, 95 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos. Physical target story. Major categories of work. Bicwo PLC, buildings construction without piles, low-rise, concrete, frame 1 to 5 stories. Similar major categories of work. BICWPH CCP, BICWPH HCCP 16, BICWPL CCP, BICWPH CDP, BICWPL CDP, BICWOPHC, BICWPM CDP, BICWPM CCP, and BICWOPMC. Number 2, Contract ID 26PK0014. Contract name, Organizational Outcome 1, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Asset Preservation Program, Rehabilitation and Reconstruction of Roads with Slips, Slope, Collapse, and Landslide, Tertiary Roads, Balbalan-Pinukpuk Road, K0488 plus 947, K0489 plus 468 plus 235, K0468 plus 320, K0468 plus 360, K469 plus 053 to K0469 plus 099. Contract location, Balbalan Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 1,708,140 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2026 Regular Infrastructure Program. Duration, 33 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos. Physical target, 200 square meter. Major categories of work, RCSPS, roads, construction, slope protection using structural measures. Similar categories of work, FCSPS, flood control, construction, slope protection using structural measures. FHR, flood control, hydraulics, river control. Number 3, contract ID 26PK0015. Contract name, Organizational Outcome 1, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Asset Preservation Program, Rehabilitation or Reconstruction of Roads with Slip, Slope, Collapse, and Landslide. Secondary roads, Mountain Province boundary, Calanan, Pinukpuk to Abbut Road. K0426 plus 080 to K0426 plus 109, K0435 plus 766 to K0435 plus 835. Contract location, Tinglayan, Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 6,437,620 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2026 Regular Infrastructure Program. Duration, 104 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 10,000 pesos. Physical target, 470 square meter. Major categories of work, RCSPS, road construction, slope protection using structural measures. Similar major categories of work, FCSPS, flood control, construction, slope protection using structural measures. FHR, flood control, hydraulics, river control. Number 4, contract ID 26PK0016. Contract name, Organizational Outcome 1, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Network Development Program, Construction of Bypass and Diversion Roads, Cagaluan Bypass Road, Station 0 plus 00 to Station 0 plus 500 Kalinga. Contract location, Pasil, Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 27,588,960 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2026 Regular Infrastructure Program. Duration, 190 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. Physical target, 2,420 square meter, CW1, 1 lane kilometer, CW2. Major categories of work, CSPS, roads, construction, slope protection using structural measures. RCP, roads, construction, PCCP. Similar major categories of work, FCSPS, flood control, construction, slope protection using slope structural measures. FHR, flood control, hydraulics, river control. RRT, roads, rehabilitation, PCCP. RCTP, roads, construction, tunnel, PCCP. Number 5, contract ID 26PK0017. Contract name, Organizational Outcome 1, Ensure Safe and Reliable National Road System Asset Preservation Program, construction or upgrading or rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Kalinga to Abbut, K0518 plus 123 to K0518 plus 126. Contract location, Balbalan-Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 1,839,460 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2026, regular infrastructure program. Duration, 113 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos. Physical target, 11 linear meter. Major categories of work, RCP, roads, construction, PCCP. Similar major categories of work, RRP, roads, rehabilitation, PCCP. RCTP, roads, construction, tunnel, PCCP. Number 6, contract ID, 26PK0018, organizational outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system asset preservation program, rehabilitation or reconstruction of roads with slips and slope, collapse and landslide, secondary roads, Province Road, Calanan to Pinukpuk, Abbut Road, K0451 plus 046 to K0451 plus 172, K0454 plus 402 to K055454 plus 665, K044455 plus 1039 to K0456 plus 013, K0458 plus 789 to K0458 plus 833. Contract location, Balbalan-Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 29,436,260 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2026 regular infrastructure program. Duration, 218 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 25,000 pesos. Physical target, 2,763 square meter. Major categories of work, RCSPS, roads, construction, slope protection, using structural measures. Similar major categories of work, FCSPNS, flood control, construction, slope protection using non-structural measures. FHR, flood control, hydraulics, river control. Number 7, contract ID 26PK0019, contract name, Convergence and Special Support Program, construction or improvement of access roads leading to declared tourism destinations, tourism road infrastructure program, Gid Subterranean Tourism Destination Access Roads, Station 2 plus 879 to Station 2 plus 9999, Kalinga. Contract location, Balbalan-Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 4,321,800 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2026 regular infrastructure program, duration 889 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos. Physical target, 0.24 linear kilometer. Major categories of work, RCP, roads, construction, PCCP. Similar major categories of work, RRP, roads, rehabilitation, PCCP. RCTP, roads, construction, tunnel, PCCP. Number 8, contract ID 26PK0020, organizational outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system asset preservation program, construction or upgrading or rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, secondary roads, Kalinga to Abbut Road, K0506 plus 214 to K0506 plus 217. Contract location, Balbalan-Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 2,758,700 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2026 regular infrastructure program. Duration, 112 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos. Physical target, 11 linear meters. Major categories of work, FCN, flood control, construction, drainage, closed and open conduits. Similar major categories of work, RCP, RCA, RRP, RRA, FHN, FHD, FHR. Number 9, Contract ID 26PK0021. Contract name, Organizational Outcome 1, ensure safe and reliable national road system, asset preservation program, construction or upgrading or rehabilitation of drainage along national roads to secondary roads. Mountain Province boundary to Calanan to Pinukpuk Road, K0448 plus 160, K0448 plus 250, K0455 plus 747, to K0456 plus 187. Contract location, Tinglayan in Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 5,057,780 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2026, regular infrastructure program. Duration, 72 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 10,000 pesos. Physical target, 599 linear meters. Major categories of work, FCN, flood control, construction, drainage, closed and open conduits. Major categories of work, RCP, RCA, RRP, FHN, FHD, FHR. Number 9, Contract ID 26PK0022, Organizational Outcome 1, Convergence and Special Support Program, construction or improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries, and economic zones, roads leveraging Dpwh for industry and trade infrastructure. Mountain Province, boundary Calagaluan, Junction Sukiyak, Panglag, Tumabong Road, Station 3 plus 034 to Station 3 plus 174 Kalinga. Contract location, Dpwh, Kalinga. Approved budget for the contract, 4,802,000 pesos. Source of fund, FY 2026 regular infrastructure program. Duration, 69 calendar days. Cost of bidding documents, 5,000 pesos. Physical target, 0.28 lane kilometers. Major categories of work, RCP, roads, construction, PCCP. Similar categories of work, RRP, roads, rehabilitation, PCCP. RCTP, roads, construction, tunnel, PCCP. Date of advertisement, May 12, 2026. Date and time of opening of bids, June 2, 2026, after 10 a.m. We have the requirements of bidding documents, including instruction to bidders, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and forms. Table of contents, we have the definition of terms, invitation to bid, instruction to bidders, bid data sheets, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specifications, drawings, bill of quantities, and the Philippine bidding documents, related forms. The Department Order number 110, series of 2024.
By the way, to all prospective bidders, we'll be using the lowest calculated responsive bid for evaluation and award. So, may I request Engineer Director to continue discuss the requirements for bid proposals.
We have the
Technical and financial documents for bid proposals.
the technical component envelope, Class A documents, legal documents. Letter A, valid and updated field depth registration, platinum membership, all pages in accordance with Section 20 of IRR of RA 12009. The technical documents, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing.
May I interrupt? For the field depth registration, reminding all contractors that as to Section 22, all prospective bidders are in platinum membership with all legal documents to be always updated in the Annex A of the field depth registration, platinum membership. So, kailangan na updated lahat yung mga legal documents sa Annex A. Thank you. Additional information.
Continue the technical documents. Letter C, statement of bidder's single largest completed contracts, SLCC, similar to the contract to be bid. Letter D is the special pickup license in case of joint venture and registration for the type and cost of the contract to be bid. Letter E is the original copy of bid security. If in form of surety bond, submit also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission. Original copy of notarized bid doc. And letter F is the project requirements, which shall include the following: organizational chart, list of contracts, key personnel, the project manager, project engineer, materials engineer, and foreman to be assigned to the contract to be bid. Letter C is the list of contractors' major equipment units, which are owned, leased under purchase agreement, supported by proof of ownership. Certification of availability of equipment from the equipment lessor. And letter D is for corporations, partnership, private sector organizations, foundations, duly received by the Securities and Exchange Commission set in accordance with its annual requirements. And letter G is the duly signed omnibus sworn statement, OSS, if applicable. Original notarized secretary certificate in case of corporation. We go on to the financial documents. The prospective bidder's computation of net financial contracting capacity and FCC. If applicable, duly signed joint venture agreement in accordance with RA number 4566 and its IRR in case the joint venture is already in existence, or duly notarized statements. Number 2 is the financial component envelope, original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form. Other documentary requirements under RA 12009 is the original of duly signed bid prices in the bill of quantities and duly accomplished detailed estimate forms, including a summary sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials, labor rates, and equipment rentals used in upcoming bid. And last is the cash flow by quarter. It's also.
Thank you, Sir Roberto. So, we have no prospective bidders. No other matters to be discussed. Any information to be disseminated to the prospective bidders. There's none. And declare this procurement activity to be closed. Thank you for your to all secretariat, PWD and BAC members. Thank you.